Hey, hi everyone. So, yeah, I am back again. I was super excited and I haven't saved that video. So, I have to again explain that concept. So, sorry for that. So, excess of excitement is very bad. So, and no issue, we will repeat the concept, same concept. And the main thing is like this. I want to first of all create this video online, and after that once it is done now, I want to like download these videos and place it over my YouTube channel. So this is the rule, or you can say what, this is the protocol which we are going to follow. So yeah, coming back to the same video, same question. So yeah, it's sorry for that. It's not sorry for you. I have lost my 15 minutes. No issue, I will again explain it. So yeah, the thing is like this. Let me explain once more. So as I discussed earlier, we are going to discuss interview question related with the Java. So we will deal with the various things related with like Java language, and after that in the between we will go with what? We will go with technology related questions like servlet and all, and after that not after that, in the mid also we can go with Spring and Hibernate, all those frameworks kind of question. Okay, so I hope this board is visible to all of you. Let me see like whether it is visible or not. I think it is visible clearly. Okay, it's fine. Okay, I think it's fine now. Let me zoom it. Okay, fine. Because it's more important, like this concept should be visible. My face is not so important. So yeah, first of all we will start with the basic thing, that is the question related with the basic Java language, and it's like identifiers, and yeah, I will explain the strategy. So the questions which requires, or the concept which I can explain with the help of problem now, I will go like that. And for the concept, this example can't be framed or question can't be framed, we will simply go like question and answer kind of thing. So this is the thing which we are going to do, and yes, I am really very much excited to do all those things. So yeah, first of all we will start with a simple question, and I hope most of you have the idea related with this. So yeah, this is for the freshers and experienced person also. So yeah, if you are not updated, I am definitely sure like you can't give the answer correctly. So yeah, and if you are experienced person and if you are updated with the latest version of the Java like JDK 8, 9, 10, 11, you will simply give the answer. So question is like this. Okay, I hope my marker will work. Okay, so I have written the question on my desktop. So it's like this: which of the following is valid identifier? So yeah, it's very easy question. So might be like most of you might be thinking like, hey, this is what a baby kind of question you are giving. So yeah, it's a bacha kind of question. First of all see the question boss, and after that analyze whether it's bacha kind of question or what. So yeah, if you know the concept, it's like baby kind of thing. But if you are little bit updated, if you are little bit not updated with your concept now, it might bring you the trouble. So it's like this. First is int float is equal to 20. Okay. Second option is int underscore is equal to 35. C is a string, and here is string, and here it is a string buffer is equal to sassy. Okay, this is same one, I think. Let it be like that only. So now the option is int int $a is equal to 20, and E option is float f1f a is equal to 20f Okay, so these are the 5 options, and one more option I want to add here, like cat underscore underscore is equal to a. Okay, so these are the 5 options. So I want you all to first of all pause the video and analyze like whether you know the answer or not. And I hope most of the people who have the basic knowledge of understanding what is the identifier now, they will simply crack it. But first of all, let me explain what is the identifier. So identifier, you can consider it similarly as the name of the what, as we have the name in our home now, we have certain name, like we have the name as what, you have name like what, name of the person, or you can have what, specifically you can say like a particular ID is there. For every Aadhaar card there is an ID, PAN card there is the ID. So in the same way, in our Java program, it comprises of what, 2 things. We have like methods are there, classes are there, inside classes methods and variables, all things are there. In the same way, for giving the name to the particular classes, or you can say variables, or what you can say enums, or everything. So at every place where naming is required to identify a particular thing, that is called as the identifier. It can be the name of the method, it can be name of the classes, or what you can say, it can be anything. So now, so this is the option. I think you might have gone through these options. So let me start with the first option. So I hope 99% of the people know the answer, and yeah, it's very easy. So let me just give 1 second. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, I think you all had gone through this. So first option is very easy, and I think 99% know the answer. So whether it's true or false, it's true or false. Think, like here I have used int, and here is the float, and you can see here float is the capital float. It's not a small, it's F capital is there. So this is the class name. As you all know, like we write the class name as the capital, so there is no such rule, but it's a kind of recommendation which the people follow. So here you can see we have used float. So int float is equal to 20. So I think most of the people know, like the name of the identifier can be the class name, or can be interface name, or can be enum name, or can be exception name, can be anything. It's not like there is no any restriction which related with the class or class name or interface name. So it's true. So it's absolutely true, no doubt in it. It's true. Now coming to the second option. Okay, I hope like 90% of the people is going to fail in this option. And yeah, as you all have learned, like rules for the identifiers, like let me summarize the rules. You might have understand, or you might have learned these rules. So rules are like this, identifier may contain what, A to Z, or contain capital A to Z, or contain number from 0 to 9, or may contain dollar symbol or underscore symbol. So these are the things which are allowed. Okay, fine. So now here you can see this underscore is there, and since this is allowed here, you can see like this is the true. But sorry baby, this is not the correct one. You can't have, so just give me a second. Okay, just give me a second. So yeah, sorry, this is not the correct one. And the reason is very simple. You might be thinking like, hey, why you are not allowing, why you are saying this is the false. The reason is very simple. You know, if I ask the same option before JDK 11, the answer is true, because this underscore symbol, this particular symbol, this is defined as the keyword from JDK 11 onwards. So you can say like from JSE 11, let me write it here only. So from GSE 11 onwards, this is a keyword. What means underscore is a keyword. So you can't use underscore as the name of the variable. So this is going to be the false. So I hope most of you who are not updated with this rule of underscore might be trapped. I think, yeah, this is the main reason of this whole option, this whole question. Like you should be what I can say, updated with this underscore symbol. That's why I have framed this question, and also to revise the concept of the name of the identifier. So yeah, it's a very kind of question, but this is the thing which I want to explain you all. Okay, fine. So now coming back to the third option. So a string buffer is equal to Sasi. So the same thing, like you might, if you have the idea like there is no any restriction over the name of the identifier, the class or anything. So a string buffer is also a class name, and since it is a class name, there is no any restriction. So yeah, you can go like this. So this is the true one. Okay. Now coming to the D option, int $a is equal to 20. So this is the thing. This is the thing, and this is very easy, and I think most of you know the answer. Since there is one rule, and the rule is like this: for an identifier, first letter could be either A to Z, small or capital. Okay, A to Z. So let me write it in the right way: A to Z or A to Z, or it can be underscore symbol. So these are the things which are allowed. So since we are placing here dollar symbol, so they are not going to allow this. So this is the false one. So I think this topic is also, this particular point is also revised. Now coming to the next option, float 1FA. So same thing, like first digit can't be, first character can't be a number. So this is also false option. Now coming to F option. So yeah, I think 99% will give the correct answer. So you can see like this is the false one before this. Or what is your answer? Whether it's false or true. Tell me whether it is false or true. It's false or true. It look like false, na? Or it look like true. Okay, if you have understand this now, it's a bit easy. It's like what you can say, a left hand, left finger kind of work for you. So yeah, what I told you, like underscore is the thing which is introduced in Java 11. Like we can't use underscore as a keyword, but here if you see, like we have two keywords. What I told you, you can't use underscore, single underscore as the keyword, and here what we have used, two underscore. So there is no any restriction, and it will run perfectly, and you will get the answer whatever. If you want to print A, na, simply A will be printed. Now let me put one more thing. Okay, let me put one thing. Okay, let me put here int is equal to 20. So this is the option, last option. This is the sixth option. Int is equal to 20. So is it looking similar to this? What I told you, like there is a rule, and rule is like that: identifier name can't be the keywords, and here it's like you can't take the keyword exactly, but here it's not the keyword. What I have used int is not the keyword, int is the keyword. So this option is also the correct one. So I think this concept is clear to all, and yeah, the main idea which I want to explore now and want to explain you people, and that is simply like this: like this underscore is a keyword, introduced in JDK 11. Okay, JDK 11. So this is the thing which I want to explain you people. So it's introduced as a keyword, so you can't use it as an identifier. So thanks everyone. We will join again with